Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add Chrome search bar on your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is press and hold on screen in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core to see the widget below. Okay, tap the widget. And okay guys, here in widget, okay, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Chrome search bar. Okay, you'll have to do is tap and hold the Chrome search bar and slide the position you want. Okay, and release it to add to your home screen. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add Chrome search bar on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.